Can anyone hear that? Well, it's the gain train because today we're talking about proteins. Now, I know that might seem more like a topic for biology, but proteins do come up in GCSE chemistry because they're a type of natural polymer, so you need to know a little bit about them. We're going to go through them today. I hope it's going to be useful. Make sure you check out the other episodes in this series because this episode is going to build on a lot of previous content. So I'm Jono, I'm from Seneca. Let's get going. So amino acids, what are they? Amino acids are what make up proteins, and bonds called peptide links form between the amine and carboxyl group of amino acids. And this process produces polypeptides. If you're not sure what amine and carboxyl groups are, make sure you check out the episode on synthetic and naturally occurring polymers to get up to speed. So, polypeptides. When one or more polypeptides become associated with each other, a macromolecule called a protein is formed. Proteins, they're things like enzymes, hemoglobin, and antibodies, and they perform lots of important roles in living organisms, and they'll also crop up in biology, so this will be a nice synoptic lesson for those of you taking biology too. So, do you remember the name of the bond that forms between an amine and carboxyl group of amino acid? It's a peptide bond or a peptide link, okay? Now, proteins, they perform loads of important roles in living organisms. The first one we're going to talk about is enzymes, and they are biological catalysts. So they speed up reactions in our bodies. Really, really important. Hemoglobin, that's another protein, and it transports oxygen in the blood. Then we also have antibodies, and they're a major part of the immune system. So those are three really important proteins that have really important functions in our bodies. So talking about antibodies, do you remember which system they're a part of? They're the immune system, okay? Let's review the different types of proteins again really quickly because they're really important. We have got antibodies, which are part of the immune system, hemoglobin, which transports oxygen in the blood, and enzymes, which are biological catalysts. Okay, so those are really important functions of proteins in humans and other animals. Let's recap quickly how we build a protein. We start with an amino acid, we go to a polypeptide, then we get to a protein. Okay, now do you remember what hemoglobin transports in blood? It's oxygen. Okay, oxygen. Right. I hope that was a useful episode. It was a quick run through of proteins and what you need to know for your GCSE chemistry exam. Hope it was useful, and I will catch you on the next episode. Make sure you check it out.